Next topic, we're going to get you to measure the length of your pace and then use that to measure the length perimeter, and then later on, keeping those measurements, record, work out the approximate areas of various shapes. It helps if you've got a rough idea of distance, and our normal walking pace is a brilliant way of having a figure to work with. Calculator, needless to say, is going to be very, very handy in this activity as well. First thing you do is to produce a 20-metre long piece of string. It's not very hard to do. Use your ruler. 3 and a bit rule lengths will give you a metre. Once you've got that figure, develop a set of knots and then walk with your regular pace along a 20-metre instance. Now I've given you the situation for Sally, 22 paces to walk along 20 metres of string. So 20 metres, it took her 25 paces. Each of her paces is going to be less than a metre. Now when you do this, and it's 24 and a bit, 25 and a bit, 28 and a bit or whatever, round to the nearest one, because we do have a bit of a length involved with our shoe. Now I did this not so long ago, and I'm about 6'1" in the old money, as they said. We use those measurements later, about 187 centimetres. And my pace length, well, it took me 22 paces to do the 20 metres. That's walking normally, no silly walks, nothing like that. So when I do my measurements there, that's 20 metres divided by the 22, and that gives me a pace length of 0.91, should be metres, or 0.91 of a metre. Now, armed with that information, I'll get you to locate some commonly found shapes around your neighbourhood, quite often a tennis court, basketball court. If you've got an oval, it's roughly circular near your place, you might like to walk the boundary line there. Key thing, normal pace length. Now please notice you'll need to keep these figures and attach them to your results to return them to your teacher as part of your assessment activity. This is a major part of your assessment for Criterion 2. As I mentioned earlier, netball court, tennis court, local cricket ground. Find the number of paces for each of those particular cases, and then draw the sketch again if it's something that you can easily draw, and then convert your paces to metres and draw the completed dimensions. If it's something regularly shaped like a netball court, you may even choose to actually check the measurements from the internet. Good luck with this.